The 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe is a full-size SUV manufactured by General Motors with seating for 8 passengers as standard, but there are 2 optional seating arrangements. Second row captain chair dropped the seating capacity to 7, and an available 40-20-40 split front bench seat increases capacity to 9 passengers, which is only available on the LS model. The new Tahoe is available in 3 different trim levels, starting out with the LS, LT, and last, the LTZ model, which is what I have here today. The model you're looking at right now is dressed up nicely in cement white exterior with jet black leather interior. For 2016, the Chevrolet Tahoe received more upgraded changes and new features, similar to the ones added to the Suburban. The changes include power adjustable pedal, forward collision alert, IntelliBeam headlamps, lane keep assist, and safety alert seat as part of the newly introduced enhanced driver alert package. The inside floor console with storage area SD card reader was removed and a new infotainment system was introduced, officially ending the CD player era for the Tahoe. The 8-inch MyLink feature was expanded to the OS trim and became standard, replacing the 4-inch display. Although navigation feature remained as an option on the LT, but it is standard on the LTZ. A new liftgate shield was added to the theft protection package, along with the new lane keep assist, which replaced the lane departure warning. The capless fuel tank also became standard on all models. The instrument cluster was also reconfigured with a new multicolor enhancement, and a heads-up display was introduced as a standard on only the LTZ model. The new 2016 Tahoe will also come equipped with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability features. However, only one of the phone brands can be used at a time. Up front, the first thing you'll notice is the HID headlamps with LED signature daytime running light, as well as turn signal light. Very stylish looking headlamps. Fog light and park assist are also integrated into the front bumper. And there you can see the chrome grille with Chevrolet logo in the middle. Chrome grille looks really good with the white exterior paint. It also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Moving to the side, the first thing that catches your attention is the 22-inch 6-spoke black wheels with 285/45 Bridgestone tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs with silver painted brake caliper. Very mean looking wheels. Tahoe badge on the door. And there you have the running boards with chrome accent that will issue entry and exit. Chrome side view mirror. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up or slide open, as well as the double chrome roof rails. Rear wheels are also 22 inches. Behind the rear wheel is also the internally ventilated brake disc and the brake caliper painted in silver as well. It also comes with the anti-lock braking system, stability track, as well as stability control system with brake assist. It also comes with tire pressure monitoring system on all 4 wheels. To the back, the first thing you will notice is the iconic taillight. Integrated into the taillight is the LED brake light, as well as turn signal light. Very unique taillight. At the bottom, you can see the single chrome tip exhaust. Park assists are also integrated into the rear bumper. And there you also have the chrome accented trim that runs across the upper portion of the rear bumper. And there's the towing hitch, located behind this plate, and can tow up to 8,600 pounds of towing capacity. And there's the rear view camera, which is located under the Chevrolet logo, and will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And on top you have the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote with Chevrolet logo on the back. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, engine start, glass panel release, trunk release, as well as panic button. Now to start the vehicle, all you have to do is push the lock button first and hold and press the engine start to start. Looks like the battery is low, so it won't start. Okay, so now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock, and press it once again to open. The exterior color is known as Summit White, featuring jet black leather interior with premium wood trims as well as silver aluminum trims throughout. Very luxurious interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So to start the vehicle, just put your foot on the brake and push the engine start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.3-liter V8 Ecotec 3 engine, which features strong aluminum block construction, 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission, direct fuel injection with active fuel management and variable valve timing, 2-wheel drive. It is pushing out 355 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 380 pound-feet of torque at 4,100 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in about 7.3 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 16 city, 23 highway, and 18 combined. Very impressive engine for an SUV. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with white contrast stitching, as well as premium wood trims. All 4 windows are fully automatic, and there you have the lock and child lock. There's the side view mirror control. It does feature folded option. Door lock and unlock. 2-position memory seating. And there you have the Bose surround sound speaker and the door storage compartment with cup holder. Chevrolet aluminum door sill. And there's the all-weather floor mat. There's the pedal. And here's a closer look at the seat with white contrast stitching all around. It does feature heated and ventilated option. Now both front seats feature 10-way power adjustable front seat, including 2 store position for the driver's seat, steering wheel, as well as outside mirror. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with silver accent stitching and silver aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel very nice. It also features multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Steering wheel also features heated option. Behind the steering wheel on the left, you have the windshield wiper control. To the right, you have the gear lever. And there's the emergency hazard light. Steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. And here's a look at the instrument cluster with the large screen in the middle that shows important information in front of the driver, with information, audio, phone, navigation, options. Okay, here's the gear shift lever once again, and you also have the towing button. Now to put into reverse, just push it down, pull it down to get into reverse. And once you're in reverse, the rear camera will appear on the multimedia screen with guidance line. That will help with a much easier backup. It will also move as you turn the wheel, and down again for neutral, down again for drive, and down once again for manual mode. And that's when you can press the plus and the negative sign to change gear. Very easy to use. And again, just push that button in for towing mode. As you can see right there. Over to the left, you have the driver's side air vent with beautiful trims there. And here you have the windshield wiper control for the rear. There you have traction on and off, the parking assist, lane keep assist, as well as the pedals. You can move the pedal closer to you. And here you also have the trailer brake assist. There's the light control and the instrument light control. And down there you have the parking brake. And here's a closer look at the dash. Now this particular model comes standard with the Bose surround sound system, featuring 10 premium speakers located throughout the cabin that will give you and your passenger a great listening experience. And as you can see, this model comes with the TV on top and the 2 captain chair for the rear. And located centrally on the dash, you have the 8-inch touchscreen navigation system with voice control. The touchscreen also includes Apple CarPlay compatibility as well as Android Auto functionality. Very nice sound quality. There you have phone projection, navigation, setting, Pandora, weather, text, OnStar, traffic. Let's go into setting. As you can see inside setting, you have vehicle setting, display, rear camera, valet mode, radio, and etc. And navigation. You cannot pinch in or out to zoom in and out. You have to press the negative sign and the plus sign to zoom in and out. But as you can see, the system is very responsive. There you have your different source button. And behind the LCD screen, you have the secret hidden compartment with a USB plug. Now this is a very good spot to hide your personal item or something that's worth a lot of money. You can hide it behind that LCD screen and nobody will ever find out. Here's your full zone climate control. And both seats does come with a 3-stage heated and ventilated option. Very nice feature. Here you have the 12-volt power plug and an additional 2 USB plug. Dual cup holder for the front passenger. Very nice wood trim there, as you can see. And you have more storage compartment down there. And here on the center glove box compartment, you have the wireless phone charging system. A very large center storage compartment. And you also have 2 additional USB plug as well as the auxiliary input. And there's another 12-volt power plug. And there you have the glove box compartment. And another look at the seat. Very nice upholstery material. On top you have the sunglasses holder and a mirror to view the rear area. And there you have the door light on and off. And the one touch open, close, and tilt moonroof. And there you have the knob to open and close the lift gate. And there's the universal garage door opener button, light controlled. So as I mentioned earlier, the moonroof can be open or tilt up. And here's the rear view mirror with OnStar, sun visor mirror with a card holder. So gas cap is located on the driver's side. Just push it in to open. It is capless and holds approximately 26 gallons of fuel. Okay, now let's move into the trunk space and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. So just press the button located behind the handle to open the trunk. So as you can see, the third row seats are folded down right now, and you have plenty of space with the third row seat folded down. And there you have the net for your smaller items. Down here you have more compartment and another 12-volt power plug. Okay, now let's unfold the third row seat so you can see how much cargo space you have. To fold it up or down, you can use the button located on the right side, hand side on the trunk, and you can unfold it, and this is how much cargo space you have with the third row seat up, which is still plenty for your cargo space. And then you can press it and hold it to fold it down both seats. And you can also fold the second row seat via the button located behind the trunk, which is a very convenient feature. And like I mentioned before, that this vehicle is equipped with the 2 captain chair in the back, so it's only offers seating for 7 passengers. And you can also press it once again to fold it up completely, so the person from the third row seat can get out easier. And there you have the button to close the trunk. Overall, the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado is a full-size SUV. The exterior has received its mid-cycle refresh, and the interior is also equipped with premium material throughout. Second row seating are very spacious and could fit any size adult comfortably, even on a long road trip. However, third row seating is quite limited in legrooms and is only recommended for kids or small-sized adults for best comfort. The front ends though are very spacious and comes with great upholstery material throughout. Now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. So like I said, it is very spacious. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe video. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting everyone know what you think about the Tahoe comparing to other vehicles in its class. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And as always, I'm going to take it out for a short drive just to show you guys how it's like in sitting in the front seat. So as you can see, I'm trying to back up now, and you can see people behind me, and the guidance line will move as you turn the wheel, which will give you a very easy backup. So sitting in the driver's seats are very high, and you can see through the windshield very clearly. Very clear view. It is very smooth as well. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.